Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am going to add a closure to my junk journal, and I thought I would take you along the process of that, as well as adding a dangle off the edge here as well. So let's go ahead and do that. The first thing that we need to do is decide what color of seam binding would be best for this album. It's really hard to decide. I have so many possibilities. I have so many pinks. That a pink might be nice. A contrasting color might be nice. A complementary color might be nice. Here we go. What if we do a yellow? No, it's not the right kind of yellow. What about this soft yellow? Could tie in some of that. No, I don't like it. I actually think we should go with the white. Now we have our choice of eyelets. I decided to go with the teal colored eyelet. The book is very thick. I need my We Are Memory Keepers crocodile to get through it. The seam binding, I actually use a little tool to poke the midpoint of my seam binding through the hole, and that way I am able to tie it together by looping it through the hole, and then I do that on both sides. That looks just beautiful on the side there. It doesn't distract from any of the other colors. It kind of complements and blends in with these pom-poms and this white lace that we have peeking out here, and it doesn't distract from the cover. It actually blends right in and ties in some of that stark sort of white, so that's really great. Now I just need to go ahead and add an eyelet up top. This is a step that, looking back, I wish I had added before I put my signatures into the book, but I am able to work around it with a little bit of finicky work. I bind them all together, find the right place, and get everything situated. Now I'm going to come in with these gorgeous beads that came from Beebeecraft, and they will be linked down below if you are interested in seeing everything that came in that way. That is the beautiful beads that I am going to create my dangle for off my album with. Those are just stunning. I'm going to bring in some other bubblegum beads in a smaller size. Previously came from Beebeecraft, as well as some of this elastic here. These beautiful beads as well will offer some different sizes. I take special care to string them all together. Sometimes when things don't look right, I even go back, take a few off, and try again. I hold it up to the book and get a good idea if it's going to look nice. So halfway through, I actually tied it on to match the length that I wanted of the book, and then I started adding some smaller beads along to the what's left over of the string. Okay, so here we have a finished dangle, and it just hangs off unevenly and intentionally off the side in all the beautiful colors. that help to accent this gorgeous junk journal that is far from junk in my eyes. That's just stunning. So that's what that looks like, hanging off the edge there. So we have a dangle, we have a binding, and all of the links will be left down below if you are interested in any of these products. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you're interested in more videos, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and we will see you again next time.